Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ever wondered how many potential clients you're losing because of missed follow-ups? In this video, we're going to show you how to stop losing leads by automating follow-ups after a funnel submission in GoHighLevel. First, log in to your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the Automation tab on the left-hand side. Then click Create Workflow and choose Start from Scratch. Here, we'll set up an automated sequence to ensure that no lead falls through the cracks after they submit the funnel form. Next, select Form Submission as your trigger. This will kick off the follow-up process as soon as a lead submits their details. Now, add your follow-up actions. You can send an email, a text message, or even assign tasks to your team. Make sure to personalize your messages to build a better connection with your leads. Once your workflow is set up, always test it. Submit the funnel form yourself to ensure that the follow-ups are sent as expected. Ready to boost conversions? Sign up for GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial and start optimizing your funnel with automated follow-ups today. Plus, to ensure a smooth onboarding, don't forget to schedule your kickoff call. All the links are available in the video description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our updates. Thanks for watching.